If you're a video creator, this is going to be one of the best videos that you'd ever see. I know that all of us have always had that challenge of having to convert our landscape or long form videos on YouTube into a YouTube short, or even having to convert the YouTube short video we had originally did into a long form video. Just like what's just happened right now. In this video, I'm going to be putting you through a simple tutorial on how to use an AI tool to maybe some few AI tools to turn your landscape videos into a portrait video or your portrait videos into a landscape video in just a short time using just your smartphone. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right into the video. Oh yeah, now let's start with converting a landscape video into a portrait video, and we're going to be using just one, and that is CapCut. CapCut just added this new feature whereby the AI is able to recognize the image or the person in the landscape video and then convert that video into any size. But in this case, we are talking about into a portrait video. Let's get right into it right away. All right, on CapCut, once I tap on the new project, I am going to import a landscape video that I already done earlier on this video. All right, and then I'm going to tap on add. All right, now I am simply going to tap on just one tool, which is to tap on the video itself. All right, and then swipe until you get to auto reframe. Now when I tap on auto reframe, I'm going to select 9:16, and then in the image stabilizations, I'm going to tap on stable. All right, now the camera moving speed, I will leave it the way it is. All right, and then I'm just going to save, and it begins to convert that landscape video into portrait. Now it's done. Okay, but as you can see, this video was originally in 16:9, and that is why you can see that the video is still in 16:9. So the next thing we're going to do is to tap on ratio, and then we're going to tap on 9:16, and you see that the video is now a portrait video. This is what I actually do in some of my videos where I converted the landscape video into a portrait video. Now you can see that the video is currently following the image. You literally have 8 days to get started with this idea and share the knowledge. Now moving on to the next phase, which is now to convert a portrait video into a landscape video. This is the one that is a little bit technical, but trust me, you can do it on your smartphone. The first thing you need to make sure of is that when you are shooting that portrait video, the whole of your body, right, was captured in the frame, within the frame, so you get a perfect fix. First thing you want to do is to get the video. All right, so this is the beginning of the video that I have already paused. All right, make sure that it's at the very beginning. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is to take a screenshot of this video. All right, so this is a screenshot of the video. All right, so the next thing I'm going to select on that screenshot and then crop out the other parts that are not meant to be there, and make sure that the screenshot only captured the actual video. I have the screenshot right now. So the first tool I'm going to be using is Canva or any image editor that you have, all right, where you can simply put this screenshot into a landscape frame. All right, now we're going to go to Canva. Now on Canva, I'm going to tap on the plus sign, and I'm going to use 16:9, which is landscape. All right, so that's presentation Canva size, by the way. So the next thing I'm going to do is to tap on the plus sign and then go to your gallery, okay, to find that image that you have already screenshotted. This is the image I had screenshotted, so I'm going to tap add to page. All right, now you are going to just scale it to get to the extreme. Okay, you can see that grid line that shows that it is, you know, on the frame. Now you can see the line that crossed over, which shows that I have succeeded in placing that image at the middle of the page. Right now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just simply gonna save and make sure that I save it as PNG. Now, the next tool I'm going to be using is I'm going to go to my Chrome browser and I'm going to go to firefly.adobe.com. Is it Adobe or Adobe? Which one? All right. Now on Firefly, we are just going to simply look for the generative fill tool. All right. So I'm going to tap on generate. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to tap on upload image. All right, and I'm going to find that particular image and then upload it. Now we have the image right now, so I'm going to select, make sure you selected this. All right, and I'm going to start swiping over. Okay, so I'm going to increase the brush size so that it will be faster for me. All right, so make sure you brush everything in that white space. Make sure of that is a very important part of this tutorial. I'm also making sure I avoid touching the subject. All right, so I'm just brushing over here. All right, I think we're good now. So I've brushed over everything. Okay, then I'm going to describe what I want to be there. So I'm just going to type RGB themed tech YouTube studio. All right, and then I'm going to tap on generate. We have it right here now, much more perfect. It has generated the background for us. Okay, but the work is not done yet. Okay, I think the first one is quite perfect. So the next thing, I'm just going to tap on up here and I'm going to tap on download with watermark because I'm using the free version. And for the final stage, we are going to take it back to CapCut. All right, so this is CapCut. I'm going to tap on new project and I'm going to select on photos. I'm going to select the image that was generated. Okay, so now this is the image that was generated at first. Okay, now I'm going to stretch to the length of the original video, let's say to 10 seconds, and then I'm going to tap on the overlay, tap on the add overlay to bring in that particular video. All right, so this is the video itself. All right, now I'm going to make sure that the video is at the end. Now I'm going to use my two thumbs and stretch the video to get to align with the image. All right, I think we're good. All right, we're good now. All right, so the next thing I'm going to make sure of is, okay, so let's still take it all the way back. All right, and we have it right now. Now the next thing I also need to do is to select the image. I'm going to go to mask. All right, so in my masking, I am going to go to rectangle. All right, and I'm just going to stretch this. Okay, and also stretch. Okay, all right, so I'm going to stretch up to this point and then I'm going to tap on it, tap on feather, and simply add a little bit of feather so that you wouldn't notice so well. All right, and now we have a perfect image, converting our portrait video into a landscape video. And now I can simply upload this on YouTube without you having to know that it was a portrait video. All right, so you just need to try this out and let me know what you think about this awesome hack using AI tools to convert your portrait videos into landscape or landscape to portrait, or the comments down below. Was this helpful? You might want to check out this playlist right here where I've done vast number of tutorials of things you can do with your smartphone, whether it's video editing, graphics, or anything, or with your smartphone. And if you're yet to subscribe, once again, do make sure to hit this button up here to subscribe to my channel. With this, I'll catch you on the next one.